Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Sale Facebook Pixel Tracking in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This application seamlessly integrates Facebook Pixel with your Odoo website, allowing you to track user interaction like views, clicks, and purchases in real time. This data helps optimize your ad performance and marketing strategy through Facebook Ad Manager. With accurate visitor tracking from your Odoo e-commerce or website platform, you can boost campaign efficiency and make smarter data-driven advertising decisions. So first of all, we will go into our Meta account. Here you can see the Meta account we have created. In here, we will go into the Events Manager. Here you can see we have come to the Events Manager. Here click on Connect Data. Here click on Web and click on Next. Here you can connect your data set, and if you want to create a new one, you can also create a new one. So here I will be creating a new data set in the name of BrowseInfo. After entering this, you can just create it by clicking on Create button. So here you can see your data set is creating, and after this you can see your data set is created. So we will click on Go to Event Manager, and here you can see we have come to the Events Manager, and here you can see the data set. Just click on Connect Data, click on Web, click on Next, and you can select your data set in here. So I will be selecting BrowseInfo, which we just created, and click on Next. So here you can see we have connected to our data set. So for this, you need to select Setup manually in here. After this, we are going to click on Next, and in here you need to select Metapixel only. So click on Next, and you can see add Metapixel to your website. So we will go into the data sources, and here you can go into the BrowseInfo, and here you can see our data is connected. You can see our data set which we just created. Now in here we will go into the settings, and here you can see the data set ID. So you can just copy it right now, you can just copy it later for your Odoo interface. And after this, under the automatic website matching, you need to enable that, and in the show customer information, here you can see the email, phone number, first name and surname, gender, town or city, country, date of birth, and external ID. You need to enable the toggle for all this. Now we will go into our Odoo interface, and here you can see the Metapixel helper extension. So just pin for this right now or pin it later. So we will go into the website for this. Under configuration, we will find settings. Go into that, and here under tracking information, you will find a checkbox for activate tracking. So we are going to enable activate tracking. Under that, a checkbox will appear for tracking console log. Enable that, and we are going to save this configuration. Now under configuration, we will go into the tracking services. So here you can create your tracking service. So click on new, add your pixel ID. So for this you need to add the dataset ID. So here we will come into our Meta account, and we are going to copy our dataset ID. Now we will go into the Odoo interface. We are going to add our pixel ID. Under that, you need to select a website. So I'm going to select my website. Under that, the type is Facebook Pixel, and we are going to save this. Now under option, you will find the logs. Here are the internal logs toggle button. So as soon as you enable this, you can able to see the internal logs. Now we are going to enable the advanced matching. So you can see advanced matching tab has appeared. So here you can see the toggle for external ID, IP address, user agent, country, state, zip, city, street, customer name, email, phone. Enable all these, and we will hop on to our home page. Now we will go into our shop. we are going to open the customizable desk. We are going to click on add to cart and we are going to click on proceed checkout. Now here you can see the number is 2 as one quantity has also was earlier added into this. So under configuration, we will go into the tracking services, and in here in advanced matching you can see I am disabling the country, state, zip, city, street, and only some of the toggles are enabled. So we are going into the home page again. We will go into the cart and I'm just going to click on checkout. Now if we go into the metapixel helper, you can see under that the initial checkout data. Under that you can see all the data which we have enabled in the toggle. Here you can see the contents, currency, value, and everything in here. You can see the data in the metapixel helper in here. Under event info also you can see the data for event ID and everything. Now again we will hop onto the configuration tracking service. Here in advanced matching I am going to enable all the toggles which we have disabled earlier. Now after this again we will go into the home page, we will go into the shop, and we will directly go into the add to cart. Now if I click on checkout and if we go into our metapixel helper, in initial checkout, here you can see the country, city, state, phone, zip, everything is updated as we have enabled the toggle for this. You can see the data for everything in here. Now under configuration only, we are going to confirm this payment. So just do the payment by clicking on pay now. And here you can see your payment is being finalized, and you can see you will be redirected to the thank you page. Here you can see the order number which we just created. Now if we go into the metapixel helper, you can see a purchase data set is created. In here also you can see all the data regarding to your purchase in here. Not only in here, but if we go into the editor under configuration, if we go into the tracking logs, here also you can see all the logs or all the activities we have done in our website. You can see view product list, view content, purchase, checkout, everything is updated in here. And if we go into the tracking services and if we open the tracking services, here you can see the logs which we have seen in the tracking. And here also you can see all the logs. You can open any one of them and you can also check them. If you disable the internal logs and refresh it, the internal logs won't be appeared in here. You can just enable again and you can see all the internal logs in here. So I'm just going to open this purchase one. Here you can see the event type and everything in here. And after this you can see the product also. Now if I go into the payload, here you can see your data set in here. Now after all of this, we are going to hop into our Meta account. So here you can see for the BrowseInfo, we will go into the overview, and here we can see all the activity which we had done in our website in the Odoo interface. It will be automatically updated into your Meta account with the help of metapixel helper. You can see one graph also in here, and also you can see every activity in here. Now we will go into the settings and we are going to enable the unlink log records. So enable this. You can enter the period if you want, otherwise just leave it as 30 days. Now we will go into the settings. Under technical, we are going into the schedule actions. So here we will find schedule actions. Open that, and in here we are looking for the cron tracking log clean log entries. This is for cleaning your logs from your tracking. So here if I click on run manually and if I go into the website and under configuration, if I go into the tracking services and if I open that, you can see the logs has been disappeared. It is used to unlink your logs after some time of period. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.